If you think you need a huge marketing budget to grow your creative brand online, think again. Today, I'm showing you how to get real visibility, attract the right audience, and grow your brand even if your budget is zero. Ciao, y'all. I'm Kira, content strategist, AI writer, and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs simplify content marketing and grow their brand without burning out. Today, you'll discover 5 practical, cost free strategies to grow your online presence and reach your dream audience. Whether you're a museum professional, a visual artist, or a creative entrepreneur, these tips will help you work smarter, not harder. Let me get this straight. You don't need ads to grow your audience. Organic reach is still alive and kicking. Plus, it's free. Pick 1 or 2 platforms where your audience hangs out and that makes sense for your brand identity. Instagram is perfect for visual content, for example. Post consistently, share personal stories and behind the scenes moments, have conversations with your followers, use engaging features like reels, stories, or live streams to increase interest and reach. Organic growth takes patience, but it creates a loyal and engaged community. And the Museum Creative is living proof that this works. Collaboration is a free shortcut to exposure. Reach out to other creatives, art blogs, or niche brands to create content together. Guest posts, co hosted projects, or cross promotions can introduce you to entirely new audiences within your niche, positioning you as an authority without spending a penny. I've experienced the benefits of this firsthand by collaborating with art blogs and podcasts who were sharing a similar but wider audience. Make sure to optimize your content for search engines and AI. SEO is an instant, but it's free, long term, and incredibly powerful. Focus on optimizing your website and social media content with relevant keywords for boosted discoverability. Creating content that answers your audience's questions and needs to also earn AI mentions. Ensuring your site is mobile friendly and fast for the best user's experience. Implementing these SEO best practices will do wonders in getting noticed, drawing organic traffic, and building credibility over time. Then start growing your email list. Email marketing is hands down one of the most cost effective ways to connect with your audience. Create a simple opt in offer highly targeted to your audience's interests, a freebie, a discount, or exclusive behind the scenes content. Once you promote it on your preferred platforms and have subscribers trickling in, send consistent value packed emails on your work, updates, customer stories, etc., to nurture relationships, drive traffic, boost conversions, and build customer retention. This strategy is almost free, sustainable in the long run, and delivers some of the highest ROI, return on investment, in digital marketing. Finally, join online communities where your audience hangs out. Facebook or LinkedIn groups, Reddit threads, niche forums. For example, I'm part of a few LinkedIn groups aligned with my target audience, which is you, creative arts entrepreneurs. Share your knowledge there. Participate in discussions, offer genuine support, and provide real value. You can also occasionally repost your existing content in groups and drop links to your work when relevant, driving traffic and building authority, all without spending a dime. In other words, you don't need a big budget to grow your brand online. Creativity, consistency, and strategy will get you farther than expensive ads ever could. Focus on meaningful engagement, valuable content, and intentional actions. Your audience will find you and root for you, guaranteed. If you want to simplify your content marketing with the help of AI, download my free guide, 5 AI powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. It's packed with practical tips to help you work smarter, grow faster, and stay in your creative flow. And don't forget to subscribe for more stress-free, practical marketing tips like this one. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!